Good morning, dear children. Today we are going to learn the class Amphibia. So the Amphibia is another important, very important class of phylum chordates because it is the first vertebrate to become the tetrapods. Generally, the vertebrates are classified into pisces and tetrapods. So the pisces, there is no proper limbs. The fins are the locomotive organ. But the Amphibia are the first animal or organism evolved. They come to the land from the water by using and they use the four limbs. Okay, the two pair of four limbs and a pair of hind limbs. Totally four limbs are used for the organism. So yeah. So Amphibia we can divide the term into two of as amphi plus bio. Amphi means two, bio means life. So two mode of life, not two life, two mode of life. What are two mode of life? These amphibian, when they are in the water, they respire through the skin. When the amphibians or frog come to the land, either respire through the lung or buccal cavity. Okay, so these are the two types of, two mode of respiration, two mode of life present only in the water, frogs. Even the reptiles, some reptiles are living both water and land. For example, turtle, tortoise, crocodile and all, they utilize the lung as the respiratory organ. But here the frogs utilize the skin when they are in the water for respiration, but when they come to the land, they use the lungs and buccal cavity. That's why they are comes under the amphibia. Okay, so the amphibians are mostly then poikilothermic. Already we learned about poikilothermic, cold-blooded animals. Body is divisible into head and trunk. Some of the amphibians having tail. Some others are not having the tail. For example, frog, we can see the tail, but in the tadpole stage, we can see the tail. Some, for example, some salamander is a belly ball, that's tail, but body is divisible into head and trunk. Then pair of eyes with the nictitating membrane. Nictitating membrane means it's a protective coat of eye. When the frogs in the water, the nictitating membrane protects the eyes of the amphibians. And below that, the tiny pore is there, that is called the tympana, is the act as a ear. The skin is very soft and moist because most of the time the frogs, amphibians are living in the water. So to protect the body from the excess of water, the body is slimy and slippery. Shining around. There are two pairs of limbs, so four limbs and hind limbs. Four limbs are always smaller in the frogs, but not in all the vertebrates, all the amphibians. Four limbs are smaller, hind limbs are larger. Okay, then they are having the fertilization is external, sexes are separate, circulation through the chambered heart, three chambered heart. Okay, two auricles and one ventricle. Two auricle one ventricle closed circulatory system. Then I told you sexes are separate, fertilization is external, excretion through the mesonephric kidneys. Okay, excretion mesonephric kidneys and then they show metamorphosis. Metamorphosis is life cycle different. Human being early young stages organs length size but when we see the tadpole stage of frog, the adult frog completely different from tadpole. That's fish ball this vera mari seriya appo modify aagi pudu organism frog. Okay, then these organisms showing hibernation and estivation. Pudu term patya, hibernation and estivation. Okay, what the estivation confused together and the estivation vera is vera. Seriya, first hibernation sonna winter sleep. Winter sleep na they sleep for a long period in the winter season. That is called the hibernation. Nama idu irukku polar bear adu hibernation na seriya. And estivation is something but summer sleep. Summer sleep to protect the organism. They can't come outside during the summer. Hot summer is the estivation. Then the fertilization, they release the gametes of water. Male and female gamete fuse together in the water. Then young ones are produced. Okay. Then these are all the special character features of class Amphibia. Understood?